Uhlaselwe yiningi umama Londi ke owaziwa ngomntwana wasendlunkulu einkundleni zokuxhumana ngenkathi ke yenza ivideo abantu besola ukuthi ngathi akamfuni neze uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Ube secacisa ke ukuthi yena kule video ukhuluma ngokuthi umthetho awudlala indima yawo abavulelane amacala babophane ngoba bakhathele ukungcona kwabantu. It doesn't matter ukuthi ubani.
Ngiyakhuleka kwabesilo, ngiyakhuleka kwizizwe zonke on a beautiful Monday. Yesterday was a very busy day for me, even though bengithi ngiyaphumula, but ngithola ama phone calls. Are you watching Channel 4 something? Or uyamuzwa ukuthi General Mkhwanazi? Apparently General ubene or media briefing or press briefing izolo where be refer to a video yamhla ka 30 that I posted on the 30th conversation eyayinenhloso yokuthi ilethe ukuthula phakathi ka General Mkhwanazi and General Minister Senzo Mchunu. But ke ngibese ngiba privy to ama ucabanga kwabantu abebekade befone abanye bethumela izinto bese kuba ne conversation after that nokuthi yonke lento ngokuyibuka kwabo isho ukuthini. Mhlambe kuzokhumbuleka la ukuthi indaba ka General Mkhwanazi uqala nje abesemsindweni kangaka of late kulandela indaba yokuthi kube engathi uvimba ukuboshwa kuka Miss Ndlovu obesolwa ngokuba yi-kingpin ye-drug cartel yase Westville prison. Mhlambe lapha ya uma sibuya khona uGeneral Mkhwanazi ke wathiwa mayibuza ukuthi yini ebimenza afuna ukuvimbezela ingalo yomthetho kufanele idlala indima yayo because wayoboshwa uNdlovu. Athi it's because 2023-2024 kube na over 4,000 cases abeclaim more than 2 billion from estate for unlawful arrest nezinye zezinto. And kuyavela ukuthi uthi ke ngenxa ukuthi ubufakazi bengingafiki or bengebuningi futhi kubonakala ngathi kwa lokho kwatholakala emgqonyeni ngathi kuplantiwe bekubalwa ke nezikhali engathazi emthethweni nokunye ngaphandle kwalokho kwakade kuthuzoboshelwa khona uNdlovu. So beqhubeka ke lemdonsiswano esikhuluma ngayo. Mina ngesikhathi engifika ngaso ngikhulumisa udaba lika Macingwane nayo uGeneral iwari yethu inkulu bekuthi we can't have our subject or instability in the province egameni labantu esilindele usizo kubona because uMacingwane kuqala waziwa nje umuntu very strict mhlambe ku department asuyefike kuyona kwazi ukuthi ufikele ushintsho. And also with General Mkhwanazi ubaziwa njengomuntu nathi esazi ukuthi sithembele kuyena especially because isile sikhotheme samlanda specifically uGeneral Mkhwanazi for izinto ke beyithintana bezim affecta omdala yena personal especially because police station le eKanongoma eye VIP protection ngesikhathi silo saphila bekuna 151 personnel of SAP members ngaphansi kwakhona but bekum affecta ngendlela eziningi indaba yezinto ezithinta ingalo yomthetho. But ke sithola ke la uGeneral kwi-media briefing yakhe equota that conversation that I had with Macingwane with an intention yokuthi kubona ilethe lokho ukuthula nestability ebese kubonakala abantu kunama factions between the two kunabathi hands of General Mkhwanazi nama campaigns amanye abengagcina ephehla ungazwani ephehle nodlame phakathi kwabantu esithembele ukuthi fanele ngabe benze ubulungiswa. uGeneral Mkhwanazi ke simbone eduma kakhulu ngokudila negebengu noma engabe kuthiwa ama heist ese uphethe umnyango kwi province ama heist igebengu ezingabe ziphusha ama drugs nokunye okuningi esimbone vela khona. And kulesi sikhathi siyababona abantu abaningi beboshwa khona but ngihambe ngaba nento ethi following ukudisbandwa kwe committee yama political kwe task team yama political killings benginakho nami ukuthi bekufanele bese kufanele disbandwe that task team. Nginezathu ke mina ezingithinta mhlambe eduze le task team iphethe ama cases of the likes of osenzo meyiwa yebo omagaqa amakhosi abulewe induna ezibulewe and a lot of high profile people, and ngike ngaba ne-interaction with them following i-case mina ebikade kufanele yenziwe. Bafika nedocket nje nama details edocket yenkosi yangapha kaCele that was killed ebukhosini bakaCele ngo-2021, and some of izinto because sahlale side we had 5 hours meeting nabo baze bahamba ebusuku kakhulu befike endlini sikhuluma ngalezo zinto. But my concern izinto that we expected them to do follow up babophe kuzona ayikaze zize zenzeke, and emva kwalokho babe bengasatholakala basawabamba amafoni, and izinto esasiyikhuluma nezinto ababeyilalela kuma clip kutholakala bezazi futhi bebazi laba bantu. They only needed to be sure because babeze bebukana labo baseshi abe-task team la khuluma naye, and there are so many cases engawabala, even ama cases ama kingpins amanye abekadaziwa, the drug lords abekadaziwa. Kwesinye isikhathi kunama cases ngaze ngenze example kubona sikhuluma ukuthi kunamaphoyisa aka report into eyakangithusa kabi because kunegama la mentioneka whereby kuthi mangabe kuyohlaselwa the other faction kuma kingpins makuyohlaselwa the other faction kuphume kuze kuphume ngisho ichopper kuphume flying squad zonke iphume zihambe kusaphume into ethi kuyohlaselwa akahlaselwa, but the other faction lekubonakala ngathi ke yona ayinayo imali, kubonakale ishawe babulawe baze bangcwatshe baze baphinde bashawe ngisho emncwabeni wabo, and umbuzo kuzothi how kanti enjani le genge yona ekwazi ukuthi ishawe enjani engezoshawa. Kungenzeka yini ukuthi kanti labantu abaphethe lama cases banama factions athile thina emehlweni ethu ekuzobonakala ukuthi kushuthi bayabashaya abathile, and batshengisa ukubazi kwabantu ema-tapini ababewalalela ekwakhulunywa ngawo, but till today thakaze benze lutho. Even noma stage bekukhulunywa ngabo abaphethe o-general abangaphansi kwakho uGeneral Mkhwanazi, kubalwa the likes of Brigadier General Ngobeni owayo Cluster General ngase from kubheka kwa Durban North Verulam side, Belito side, that side kubalwa a lot of aba-reporter ko-General Mgobhozi, bonke labo bantu baphansi kwesandla sika-General Mkhwanazi. Now uzozibuza ukuthi uma kunezinto ezinjengalezo nezinkulumo ezinjengalezo kwamaphoyisa wona etshengisa ukuthi ingcindezi within their circle ikhona, uzoyibuza ukuthi ihamba ifike phi into enjengaleyo. So thina kusijabulisa ukuthi uma sezize kwafika ku la ekufanele ngabe kudulwa nomsuka khona hayi kushuthi ibambe ngakho, and ngifuna abantu bangangizwake kabi, angina side engilifavorayo, ngifike la engithi khona uma ukuthi umacingwane khona la onekhona abavulela nama case bebophana, uma ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi ufike la aboshwa khona abavulela nama case babophane na whoever omunye othintekayo akungasperwa na any of them. If makufanele kubuyiswa ngisho abadala nabanjani vele ku right, yabona if there's a new sheriff in town ufike abe nabakhe na uzokhanda yakhe phela camp yakhe o ikhatheli yakhe azosebenza ikhona right impela sesifike la esobona khona umthetho uthatha indawo yawo. Now it's high time the political parties, which is the very same thing that I always say, iGNU yinhle yimbi, iGNU ifike la ukuthi khona laba kade bephambanisa umthetho khona bafuna ukuyiprove ngathi bona they are correct than the other ones, kuthi laba abanye ababambisene nabo uma seyiphambana ngombono kungasadleki kwabanye kade bejwayela ukudla noma abanye ade bazi ukuthi fanele kudle bani hayi zinyathelana amakhona. So yabona njengamanje our government uzothatha ishape bazo exposeana, and ilokho esikufunayo esifisa ukubona, but esingafisa ukubona i-instability in our province, instability in our country egameni lama politicians, egameni labantu abakuma high rankings in our government. Asifisa ukubona kwenzeka lokho, and ngihlabile kancane inkulumo la kunabantu abathi uyabheda uMkhwanazi, uyabheda uSenzo Mchunu. Let us not buy ama-party. I guess babukele bona njengoba ngishilo wasekuqaleni ukuthi asingabheki ama merits of ama case kwabo ukuthi ku right noma bengekho right. Already baya ku space sethu. Ku space sethu kushuthi it's for our consumption ekhulunywa ngakho. Ufika uyafunda ufunda ama allegations uGeneral Mkhwanazi with evidence. Yini kufanele siyenze? Is it for PR or whatever, any other thing? Because I don't think General Mkhwanazi ulobisha for a position yokuba in a political space or anything, or even going to the national space where mhlambe ngaba national commissioner. I don't think he's doing that. But uma kuzoba ne statement irresponsible esithi abantu from the security industry nomphakathi esifuna ukuphehla into ezofanele sibhaye iside lo yedwa wabo, either yena noma uMacingwane noma engabe sisho uMacingwane. That's irresponsible. Asingaphehli into ezofuna ukuthi kukhethwe ukuthi kufuneka abantu between bona. Or wrong akashona esitokisini. If there's evidence, evidence angithi uGeneral Mkhwanazi kushuthi akaboshwe phela uMacingwane. If not noMacingwane njengoba kade kuhlongozwe indaba yokuthi leli viki ngaphela beboshwa oGeneral Masimula, uCommissioner Masimula naye nabo General Mkhwanazi ababoshwa abantu abenza okuphambene nomthetho. That's where ama political parties ekufanele ngabadlala irole yawo. That's why there's a shadow minister in parliament or responsible for each and every portfolio, because if the ministry esuke ibhekene leso simo somkhoshosho kanti lama committees asema parliament accountela in, it's high time kufanele abenzilo wrong babuye bezohlaliswa la bezo account ababoshwa abantu ababoshwa. Akungabikho umuntu okuprevent ukuthi aboshwe before aboshwe. Ngisiboshiwe thina ngale kokuthi kuthiwa kuya-check ukuthi evidence enough. Siboshiwe without warrant of arrest, siboshiwe without search warrant, bafike bapequlule endlini babhekisa phezulu. No one ever stopped that. It's not only incident today where we are claiming imali ye-state. Uyabona makhulunywa ngokuba irresponsible kokwamaphoyisa. Sasingezwa mangathwemva ukuboshwa kwethu ngoba thi asihlale 7 months sehla senyuka using the state resources. Kudliwa imali kahulumeni, sivele enkantolo every 2 weeks. For ibail yami nje 21 days ngiboshiwe Westville ngihleli. That's detention nje alone. Imalini emoshwe estate ihlalisa that 7 months down the line icase isukile enkantolo. Now we are claiming for the state resources. I mean we are claiming from the state for an unlawful arrest. Bangaka abantu ababoshwe njengoba saboshwa su63 nje saboshwa su403 actually. Abanye ba detainwa 7 hours badedelwa later futhi nakhona sekuphela amaphepha okucharge kodwa babeboshiwe. So that one problem with state yonke leyo. Now umbuzo ke uthi kufika nini la ekuthiwa khona bangaboshwa because khona evidence engekho enough, khona izinto engekho enough. I'm not questioning mhlambe ukwenza kuka general or anything, but what I'm saying ibambe ngakho like right now it needs ubuholi ke esinabo obuqotho obuzoqinisekisa ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi izwe lisheka ngakho ngesikhathi kufanele clean the system, but ke ngalesi sikhathi elishake izwe. What are we doing about it? Sizophinde sifake ubuholo obuqotho na, ngoba uma ukuthi ngempela labantu ekhulunywa ngabo bachaphazeleka, akekho umuntu above the law. Uma kufanele kuboshwa akekho nje umuntu ongaphezulu komthetho. Uma kufanele kuboshiwe akekho umuntu okufanele abhekho ubani noma ubani makwenzakaleni. And abathathe along uma ukuthi bayathinteka ngempela, abathathe along whoever ebebekade be same space abadlalela kusona as abantu abaphula umthetho. Angasho ukuthi khona uphulile umthetho uma kube njalo, uma kunjalo. So esikhathini esikusona ke kuzofanele siyibukele eduze into enzala. uGeneral Mkhwanazi udecide ukuthi akakulethe to our public space and let's monitor that. Kokunye kuyenze kuthola ukuthi njengami mina mangibona nje ukuthi yabona ke manje ingcindezi because sidila nofisha abakhulu sithola ingcindezi senza sure ukuthi siyalandelela futhi space sethu makube khona abantu abaziyo phela ukuthi sithola ingcindezi kwenziwa ngesiyo umthetho okungenze kube kwayena ubekadeza ku space because ufuna umphakathi isizwe sazi ukuthi nansi ingcindezi abhekene nayo so that thina sizokwazi simele iqiniso makufanele but asingabi ingxenye yokuba ma faction la esizogcina sicindezela umthetho udlala indawo yawo kungafanelekile. umuntu mawukuthi ukhona necala lakhe akabhekane necala lakhe information siyayijabulela from all sides but umuntu nomuntu akabhekane necala lakhe ngale kokuthi kuze kusetshenziswe thina ukuthi who do we favor as the society thina sifavor umthetho sifavor ubulungiswa it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani obenzayo phakathi kwabo but siyakufuna ukubona kwenzeka njengoba kumanhlanhlali kunje hayi suke ze right impela nomunye uzoreport omunye nomunye report omunye bese zibakhalela ekufanele zibakhalele from wonke ama levels because it doesn't get to where it is today. So kithi we should celebrate isikhathi esithandiwe uNkulunkulu umveli iqali kulesi sikhathi esiphila kusona ukuthi hayi ifikileke mhlawumbe at some point yakafika koSilebi yaphinde yayingathi iyacwila sangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani this time ifikile la kufanele ifike khona and hayi uma kufanele wonke amatsha abheke phezulu akwazi ukuba nestone esolivo unturned akusebenze lokho esikhathini esiphila kusona and let's continue to engage ngendlela positive not ngendlela yokuphehla udlame and uyazi ukuthi there's this tendency to people irresponsible ngalendlela ukuthi the minute kunento negative khona abantu abangabe besasebenzisa ngisho ingqondo bengarizini first thing egijima emqondweni yabo ukuthi siyanini ukolutha ake kwenzeka ukuthi it's no longer about justice to some people kuyiwa nini ukolutha and the good thing kusizini esikuyona all members of the society bathatha responsibility khona balwa ngezinto ezwrong ezenzakalayo in our country siyababona abanye baseyibhedlela bavimbwa izinto ezenzeka ko ezibhedlela o march in march siyababona Jacinto belisana nezinto ezingekho right that are happening in our country and others siyababona wonke umuntu usukumile there's this spirit esivusiwe in our country ekufanele sibambisane ngalesi sikhathi but again fanele sibe very careful ukuthi uma sidila nalezi zinto because kunezinto esizibone thina ngesikhathi selooting la sibone khona uhlobo lesibhamu esingakaze silibone in our country do we have that capacity especially because kwi-uniform esithi sithembile ngesithembele kuyona whether it's blue shirts whether it's camouflage combat or anything else ekufanele ngabe sithi umthetho wethu and the state is safe ezandleni zalabo bantu hayi bakithi so siphinde sisukume siyibambele thina ezabahlali ngoba it affect us and sisukumiso kwentsha ka1976 sisukumiso kwembokode yayithi phansi ngoDompasi because bonke abantu manje it's like they are enjoying ichizo negazi and njoba sibheka uhulumeni wa local government abantu bakusho bangabi namahloni ukuthi hey abaphuma sibani siyongena nathi ke sizwe lokhade bukuza sitshotshe siyiphumele vela kuboshwa umuntu umuntu uCFO kade blacklistwe I mean okade entshontshe kwenye department will move to another department without ukuthi kulandelwe umgomo ukuthi lo muntu ngoba irecord lakhe linjeyana what do they do about it shothi washo mamkhawulo wathi bantshontsha ngapha basusane ngapha bazisane ngapha no we can't live like that we all have a responsibility ngifuna ukuthi thina ilegacy yobaba mkhulu izophela le generation yethu it can't work like that shothi ingane zethu abazukulu bethu bazophila kuphi bazophila kusiphi isikhathi fine abantu abahambe phambi kwethu bagugile badala ingane zabayihlali ngisho in this South Africa sikhuluma kuyona zihlalela pheshe maybe it doesn't affect them njengoba kus affecta thina but we all have a responsibility it can't be me and akwazi ukuthi kuze kutargetwe mina ngoba ngithi ngilwela omunye umuntu wakithi omnyama nawe sukumulwela ku space okusona and if sihlanganisa lawo mandla engayenza difference in our country engawenza umehluko in our country and we can't fear ukuthi kuthiwa sisaba ukuthi sobulawa mhlawumbe kahle kahle singofisha abancane thina kulezi zinto ababhekene nazo labo bantu but we cannot run away from the fact that you might get noticed because of indlela okhulume ngayo but anyway uzofa anyway no poloni wazokubulala sterillosis waphunyuka iCovid ayizokubulala ubungafa ngisho ulele embedeni wakho why should you fear ukuthi ulwele ukuphila kwakho kangcono uphile ngoba uphuma phandle awazi ukuthi uzostepha nini uzokwazwa nini the more you have security in your property the more igebengu zifuna ukwazi ukuthi yini lo ivalele kangaka ukuthi ungaze na that kind of security so abantu abasasabi lutho but ezandleni za blue shirt ezandleni zamaphoyisa igebengu zikhishwa amaphoyisa ethu isigebengu before siyobanja sifonelwa iphoyisa lethu limtshela ukuthi bayaphuma njengamanje siyaphuma ze lapho awungafici ibanjwe ama drugs abanjwe kuthiwa worth 71 billion asikaze siwabona ama drugs eflashwa thina where ayiswaphi ukuze sazi ukuthi sibhekene nani ayikhale kubo labe ekhalayo ayikhombane zodwa, and the political organization, the oppositions awavuke ngalesi sikhathi asibone ukuthi ameleni sivoteleni, sisazovota again but sivotelani. It's high time sizazi ukuthi as South Africans sisafe na ezandleni zabantu esibanike responsibility of our lives. Ngiyathobeka kakhulu kwabeSilo, ngiyathokoza.